Hello, I want to share a poem this morning. It's entitled Fabulous You. This poem was written to be a breath of inspiration, so hopefully it inspires you to do something towards achieving your goals or fulfilling your dreams or just starting to take action towards walking in your purpose. But it's entitled Fabulous You, and it's written specifically it was written for women. However, it applies to men as well. And it's entitled Fabulous You. Ladies, it is time to stir up those giftings that God has purposed in you. It's time to step out on faith and do what He has called you to do. It's time to give birth to those dreams that He has placed in you. Ladies, this year, it is time to live the fabulous you. It is time to discover treasures that He has hidden within you. It is time to release those fears and allow your greatness to shine through. It is time to receive every promise that God has made to you. It's time to recognize that although He called many, He only chose a few. Ladies, it's time to live the fabulous you. It's time to rewrite the scripts in our lives and recognize not only who we are, but whose we are without compromise. We are the children of the great and highest King, a faithful God, the creator of all things, and He has given each and every one of us special talents and giftings. Ladies, it's time. It's time to realize that you are brilliant. I mean brilliant in every sense of the word. Exceptional intelligence. You're distinguished by excellence, imposing magnificence. Ladies, it's time to show the world your greatness. It's time. It's time to take those passions and dreams and make them a reality. It's time to walk in your purpose and fulfill your destiny. It's time to discover the life that you never knew. Ladies, it's time to live the fabulous you. It's time to breathe new inspiration into the atmosphere. It's time to write new words on those pages from last year. It's time to make a decision to live a new you every day and stop worrying about the residue from yesterday. Ladies, it's time to celebrate you. It's time to love yourself, to live your dreams, to make your mark, to impact lives, to affect a change, to make a difference, to be an influence. Ladies, it's time to wake up the Shiro in you and recognize that this year is your year to be the fabulous you. Ladies, it's time. It's time.